This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the story camera. Swipe right or tap your profile picture to begin. Once done, tap the pen icon at the top to reveal the draw tools. Make sure to choose the brush type first, marker, neon, or eraser, then adjust the size with the slider. You're selecting tools now because brush and size affect stroke opacity and texture, and that matters for overlays and writing legibility on photos or videos. Next, you refine how your drawing looks. Tap the color bar to pick a preset or press, and hold to open the full color picker and create gradients. Once selected, use the size slider to set anything from a 0. 5 fine line for details to a thick stroke for bold annotations. You'll also want to test neon and highlighter brushes for contrast. These add glow or translucency, which helps legibility against busy backgrounds. Make sure to preview on your photo or video. Now you draw directly on the story using your finger or a stylus. Steady strokes work best for letters and arrows. Once done, tap undo for single-step fixes or switch to the eraser for precise edits, then tap done to return to stickers and text. You can save as a draft or export to camera roll. If drawing lags or tools disappear, force close the app or lower video resolution, and make sure Instagram is updated. Restarting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.